Hello, Paul again here from EMD Automotive. Everything's pretty much ready on this engine to go back into the actual car, but I had to wait for the alternator to come in. So first thing in the morning tomorrow, I'm just going to put this engine straight in. So I'm all ready to go in now, but it's just time now, a bit too late. So it's all done. See, look at that, all brand new. That's a brand new one. Priva oil filler hose, brand new one there. Coolant hose, new fitting as well here. New quick fitting as well. New one of those, new coolant hose there, short one there, and a new coolant hose there, brand new one. Look at the old one. So I'll show you the old one. Look, it swelled up so much. Just old. That's the other one's like very brittle. I can't even squeeze it. And that one there as well. That's the old one. That's the old plastic one. If you're doing one of these old 986, make sure you replace that plastic one and get a new hose, because they do crack and break off. So that one there, pretty much connect to a new one here. Connect this hose here, which is a new hose, goes to the oil cooler. That's the oil cooler return. This one here, that's a new one as well. New quick fitting there as well. So I am ready to go in. I was going to put the engine in today, but just that actually the alternator was on his way, so I couldn't tell what time it's going to be here. But they told me an Australian Post said it's going to be here, so it's worth the wait. So at least now I finished all this part here, all done. Because I have new hoses to do tomorrow, but I can do that last. But the main thing tomorrow morning, engine's going to go straight in, and then pretty much talk.